I am Aryan Sahu of Standard 10A. Today I am going to explain you some tricks on Vedic mathematics. I will show you how to find the square of 2-digit and 3-digit numbers much faster.
So let's see here. So this is our first example. We have to find the square of 87. So first we have to add 3 and subtract 3. By adding 3 we get 90, and by subtracting 3 we get 84. And then we have to write the square of 3, that is 09. We will write 09, not 9 only. Then we have to divide 90 by 10. Since we are dividing 90 by 10, that's why we have to take 9 as only 9 as the last digit. Then 0 cancels. Then we have to multiply 9 with 84. 9 was a 36, 3 carry and 6. 9 is 72 plus 3, 75. And we have the last digit as 9. So this is the square of 87. Let's see another example. This time we have to find the square of 76. So we have to add 4 and subtract 4. By adding 4 we get 80, and by subtracting 4 we get 72. And we know that the square of 4 is 16. Then we have to divide 80 by 10. And this time also we are dividing 80 by 10. So we have 6 as our last digit, and we have to add this number, that is 1, with this number. 0 cancels. 8 to the 16, 1 carry and 6. 8 7 is 56 plus 1, 57. Then we have 1 and 6. 6 is our last digit, and we have to add 1 to it. So we get 7 7 5 7 7 6. So this is the square of 76. Now take a 3-digit number. So this time we have to find the square of 108. So we have to subtract 8 and we have to add 8. By subtracting 8 we get 100, and by adding 8 we get 116. And we know the square of 8 is 64. Then we have to divide it by 100. Now this time see, we have divided it by 100. So 64 will be our last two digits. And we have our number 116 and last two digits 64. So this is the square of 108. Now take another example. We have to find the square of 896. We have to add 4 and subtract 4. By adding 4 we get 900, and by subtracting 4 we get 892. And we know the square of 4 is 16. So this time we have to divide 100. This time also since we are taking 100, so 16 will be our last digits. This is cancels. 9 to the 18, 1 carry and 8. 9 9 is 81 plus 1 82, 8 carry. 9 is 72, 72 plus 8 80. And we have our last two digits 16. So this is the square of 896. And this is our last example. This is a little bit different from the previous ones, because if we add 37 and subtract 37, it will be little bit complicated, because then we have to find the square of 37. Instead we will add 13 and subtract 13. By adding 13 we get 350, and by subtracting 13 we get 324. And we know the square of 13 is 169. We have to divide it by 100. It has 2 zeros, so 6 and 9 will be our last two digits. 0 cancels. 5 7 is 35, 5 2 is 10. 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 12, and 2 2 is 4. Then you have to multiply 7 with 162. 7 2 is 14, 1 carry and 4. 7 6 is 42 plus 1 43, 4 carry and 3. 7 is 7 plus 4 11. 169. This is our last two digits, and we have to add 1 to this number. So we get 113569. So this is the square of 337. Thank you, and have a nice day ahead.